guys! I'm going to show you a fun way to share the gospel with your friends. The gospel is the story of Jesus Christ's birth, life, and resurrection, and it's good news. And I think everyone could use some good news. So the first thing you're going to need is a piece of paper. I have mine right here. Have you ever made a paper airplane? This is how you do it. You're going to take this corner and fold it down here. So, you have like a little rectangle at the bottom and a triangle at the top. And then you're going to take the top triangle and you're going to knead it down here to this triangle. So you can fold it the triangle now. Make sure your creases are pretty pressed down. Like that. And the next thing you're going to do is fold it in half. Doesn't look like a plane yet. What we need is the wings. So we're gonna fold down these flaps. We'll leave some flat, but we'll fold part of it. So I will do that. You might be wondering, how is this sharing the gospel? We'll see. And it's a fun way to share with your friends how to make a paper airplane too. So here we go, we got our paper airplane. I'm not gonna throw it because I probably will knock myself with it. So this is how you make a paper airplane. Can you go on an airplane to get to heaven? You can go on an airplane to get to all kinds of places, far away like Australia or across the United States. Get to heaven on an airplane? No, you're right. We can't get to heaven on an airplane. Because it doesn't work as well as something else. So in the next part, you're going to take your wings and flatten them out. Grab some scissors. Cut right here. You're going to cut the wings like totally off. Of course, you can't get to heaven on a paper airplane or an airplane, let alone a paper airplane, because you would have to use a rocket ship, right? They get a lot farther than airplanes do. Can you get to heaven on a rocket ship? No, you can't. You can't get to heaven on a rocket ship. And this is the fun part. The only way to get to heaven, and this is when you open up your rocket ship, and it's a surprise. Only way to get to heaven. Can you tell what this is? The only way to get to heaven is by the cross. Because Jesus Christ, in his death and resurrection, we have full access to God because of what he did on the cross. And we can have a restored relationship with God. And that is the only way you can get to heaven. And it is good news. So thanks for letting me share that with you. I hope you share it with someone. If you want to learn how to make this, if I went too fast, please go back and check it out, because this is a little fun way to show your friends how to get to heaven.